Hello, I'm Muhammad saud.arif. Today, I'm going to deliver how you can become a project manager with no experience. In other words, if you are an inspiring project manager and thinking of how to become a project manager but you have no experience, then this video is definitely going to help you. Please stick around with me and I follow these 5 steps to become a project manager with no experience. Project management is a challenging and rewarding career, and if you are someone who loves organizing, communicating, and problem solving, then this could be the perfect career path for you. Step 1: understand the project management field before you dive into the world of project management. It's important to understand the field first. You can start by researching online or reading books to get a better idea of what project management entails. You can also join online forums or groups related to project management to network with professionals in this field. Step 2: get educated. Although a degree is not always required for project management, it can definitely help to have some formal education. Consider taking courses in project management or getting a certification like the Project Management Professional Certification. These courses and certifications can provide you with the foundational knowledge and skills required for a career in project management. Step 3: gain practical experience. While education is important, hands on experience is equally essential for getting into project management. Consider looking for opportunities to volunteer in projects, even if it is not directly related to project management. This can help you gain valuable experience in managing tasks and teams. You can also look for internships or entry level positions in project management to get your foot in the door. Step 4: networking is a crucial in any profession, and project management is no exception. Attend industry events, join online groups, and connect with professionals on LinkedIn to build your network. You can also look for mentors who can provide you with guidance and advice as you navigate your way into the field. Step 5: highlight transferable skills when applying for a project management job. Emphasize your transferable skills. Transferable skills are those skills that can be applied to different fields such as communication, problem solving, and time management. These skills are valuable in project management, and highlighting them can help you stand out to potential employers. These are the 5 steps which you can follow and become a project manager with no experience. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe this channel and to get the updates. Thank you.